YouTube? It's Jess, aka Scale Model Snail, and my channel has just reached 1,500 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough. So in traditional 1,500 subscriber fashion, I will be doing a giveaway. And I will be giving away this super petty Charger stock car. It's 1/16 scale. Ooh, So check that out, guys. As some of you may know, our dear friend and beloved member of this community, Terry Thacker, or as we know him, Senior, aka Hobby Barn, is in the final stages of his life. And his family has set up a GoFundMe account to cover the afterlife expenses. So I'm going to take this giveaway opportunity for all of you and ask that all of you please go ahead and share his link for the GoFundMe account. You can go ahead and share it on any platform, and once you've shared it, please go ahead and send me a screenshot of the share. I will go ahead and put my email, Instagram, Facebook, and even Discord down in the description below. So just go ahead and send the screenshot there to be entered in the giveaway. If you can donate, any little bit helps. His family would greatly appreciate that. And I just want to say that I believe Senior is what they call a true blue. A kind, honest, and wonderful friend until the very end. And Senior, if you ever see this, just know how much I love you, how much this community loves you, and you can kiss my ass. Bye.